Hi everybody, I just want to show you and talk about how to make money from rubbish or recycled items. Money means you just collect and scan whatever you see on the floor as a rubbish or recycled items, and you'll be amazed after you see this trick or idea. Just where I try to find some items on the floor, and you'll see how you make money on the rubbish. Obviously this is a new technology, it's blockchain technology. I just need to talk about it a little bit. The coin called the shipping, the headquarters in Melbourne. It's not in Melbourne. The basic idea, you just scan the barcode on the items, and the company or this application reward you as a shipping token. And when you collect the token, you can cash out after you reach the certain amount, which is $5 monthly withdrawal for the basics membership, and I think it's increased $5 to $20 for the basic memberships. You just download the application. I will share with my channel. You just sign up and you just start scanning the barcodes when you go shopping to Coles, Woolworths, and you collect the tokens, and after a certain time, which is minimum 1 month, you can cash out your Coinbase wallet or external wallet, or cash out your bank account within 1 to 2 days. For example, I saw one item, the can, in here. That's rubbish, okay? Just a can. I scan now with my shipping token, shipping application. As I mentioned, I just found, when I walk, just the can. I just scan the can, the barcode, and you see all the details about the item, whatever you scan on the barcode, and you get reward 0.66 shipping token, and it says wherever it's available, Coles, Woolworths and IGA. It says the discounted price. As I mentioned, when you walk, you can generate money just to scan the items. And when you check on the main page, you'll see the booster, which is when you buy, for example, the Tip Top raisin toast breads, you can increase the withdrawal amount, which is to $20. When you check on the top left menu, you'll see everything as a membership levels, and when you check on the top right, you see the limits. You see on the basic cash out limit is 20, it was $5. When you do the booster, which is the purchase the featured items, you can reach to $50 per month. And they just add the new level, which is the ambassador. The cash out limit per month is $75, and the booster limit is $425, which is good. Hope you like this idea and the video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will be appreciated on the thumbs ups as well. I will be bring the new ideas on the crypto and the blockchain industry as a news and applications. And have a good day. Bye.